This guide will help you understand how to request payouts using Gmail. Follow these simple steps to ensure your request is processed smoothly. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail application or go to the Gmail website. Log into your account using your email address and password if you are not already logged in. Step 2. Compose a new email. Click on the Compose button to start a new email. This will open a blank email template where you can enter the details of your payout request. Step 3. Address the email. In the tip field, enter the email address of the person or organization you are requesting the payout from. Make sure to double-check the address for accuracy to avoid any delays. Step 4. Write a clear subject line. In the subject line, write a clear and concise title for your email, such as payout request. This helps the recipient quickly understand the purpose of your email. Step 5. Provide details in the email body. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshar.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, review your email for any errors and then click send. Your payout request will be on its way.